All right, so in this video, we're looking at the law of numbers and comparing it to the law of conversion. So let's start with the first one, which is law of numbers. So with this, we are looking at the 1/4 rule, which is 1/4 or 1/4. So let's take, for example, you are trying to host an event and you need 100 attendees. Now, for you to get 100 people in attendance, that means you need to have reached out to 400 people who told you, yes, I'll be coming for the event. Now, these are 400 confirmation, and if it will take you to reach out to more than 400 persons, for you to get 400 yeses, then you have to do that. So that's what makes up the law of number, which is 1/4. Now, for the law of conversion, we are looking at the law of 1%. Now, let's take it this way. For every 100 leads you generate, 1% is certain to convert. So now let's take, for example, you are trying to sell a digital product and you have your landing page, your sales funnels, which is directing these leads to your email list or to your WhatsApp group. You're already trying to nurture them, you end up converting more of them later on. But at that particular point in time of you probably running the advert, 1% at least is certain to convert, which is bringing us to the 1% rule. So for every 100 leads you generate, you get at least one sales. For every 200 leads, you get at least two sales, which is the 1% rule. Now, in the long run, when you implement the chaos factor, you end up making more conversion, you end up making more sales. That is why you need to know your KOT factor. You need to know how to nurture this list. You need to know how to give them offer which they can't resist. So that's the law of conversion. So I trust that you learned something, and if you do, make sure to like this video and follow me. I'll see you on the next one.